Quantum computers. The future is here. A new kind of computer is emerging, one that doesn't just process data, but reshapes reality itself. It's called quantum computing, and it's about to change everything. From curing diseases to breaking encryption, quantum computers are millions of times faster than today's best supercomputers. But how do they work? And should we be excited or afraid? Stay till the end because this technology is closer than you think. The problem with classical computers. For decades, computers have worked in binary. Everything is either a 0 or a 1. But as problems get more complex, classical computers struggle. Climate modeling, drug discovery, and AI demand more power than traditional computers can handle. That's where quantum computing steps in. How quantum computers work. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0 and 1 at the same time, a concept called superposition. This allows them to process millions of calculations simultaneously. Even crazier, entanglement links qubits together, so when one changes, the others do instantly, no matter the distance. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. With these two principles, quantum computers aren't just faster, they're on an entirely different level. What can they do? Revolutionize medicine. Simulate molecules to discover new drugs in days, not years. Unbreakable security. Quantum encryption will make hacking impossible. Supercharge AI. AI will process massive data sets instantly, making it smarter than ever. Solve climate change, accurately predict weather, and reduce natural disasters. Who's winning the quantum race? Tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are battling to build the most powerful quantum machines. Google's quantum processor already solved a problem in seconds that would take a normal supercomputer 10,000 years. China and the US are also racing to dominate quantum security because whoever controls quantum computing controls the future. Should we be worried? With great power comes big risks. Quantum computers could break all current encryption, making personal data and global banking vulnerable. Governments are already preparing for the quantum threat. So, is quantum computing the greatest innovation of our time, or something we should fear? The future is now. Quantum computing is not science fiction. It's happening right now. And within the next decade, it could change everything we know. What do you think? Will quantum computers unlock a new era or create new dangers? Let me know in the comments. And if you love future tech, don't forget to like and subscribe because the next breakthrough is just around the corner.